The Giggleberries in Grinland. A short moral story. In the cheerful land of Grinland, where the sun always smiled and flowers hummed tunes, grew magical fruits called giggleberries. These berries were bright pink, bouncy, and made anyone who ate one giggle uncontrollably. Everyone in Grinland loved giggleberries, except for Grumpy Gus, the only one who never laughed. He thought giggles were silly. One day, all the giggleberries vanished. The fields were empty, and the laughter in Grinland faded. The villagers were sad, so little Lila, the happiest girl in town, decided to find out why. She followed tiny berry trails through the giggling winds until she found a cave full of stolen berries, and Grumpy Gus sitting alone. "I just wanted to see what made everyone so happy," he muttered. Lila smiled kindly and offered him a giggleberry. Gus hesitated, took a bite, and suddenly burst into laughter. It echoed through the cave like music. He had never laughed before, and it felt wonderful. From that day on, Gus became the guardian of the giggleberries, and Grinland giggled louder than ever before. Moral: sometimes, sharing a little joy can turn a frown into a forever smile. Thank you for watching.